Are you drafting an email with a group and want to use features like comments, suggestions, and edits? Do you wish you could use doc-style formatting in an email that you're writing? Drafting an email for someone else to send? No need to copy-paste anything. Use the email template in Docs and transfer it right to Gmail. I'm Laura Mae Martin, Google's Productivity Advisor, here to show you how to work your space in Google Workspace. Today, we'll show you how to draft an email in Docs. Let's get started. In a doc, type the @ symbol. From there, you'll see a drop-down menu. Choose Email Draft. A template will populate in which you can type the recipients and content of an email. Once you're finished, click the Envelope button in the upper left-hand corner. An email draft will be auto-populated from your doc into Gmail. Preview the email, then send. So there you have it. Draft an email in Docs in one easy step. If you have any specific questions about this tip, leave them in the YouTube comments below. Looking for more tips just like this? Subscribe and click the links below to follow us on social.